Welcome back to another Pro Tips video. We are looking at Windows Pro Tips and how to better work with Windows. Let's jump right in. Oh, come on. There we go. And we're going to do this. Sorry for that. Alright, so today I want to talk to you about computer management and taking care of your Windows computer. There is a component in Windows called computer management, which is extremely useful. How do you reach it? In any file explorer, you right click this PC, this PC, and then you select manage. Right, then you will be presented with this window. So why do I say this is useful? If anything goes wrong on your computer, for example, you realize a program is not functioning as it should, or anything of that nature, you come here to Event Viewer in your computer management and you look at Windows logs. If it's application related, you can look in application, or then system. If you're unsure where to look, I suggest go into custom views and then just give it a second to open up. It usually takes a little while. Let's see, custom views, and then you click on administrative events. That is the one that you're interested in. This will list all the warnings and error events on your machine. So here you can see a lot of errors, and trust me, there will always be a lot of errors and warnings. It's subcomponents, most of them is self-regulating and fixes themselves. But here you can see all the errors. You click on an error that you think might be related to your problem, and you can then take the message, highlight it, copy it, Control-C, and take it to any browser and make sure that you Google that message. Now, importantly, do not just Google it as is. Take out this part here, or any part that is unique to your computer or situation. If we Google this entire message, it's not going to give us anything. If we take out the part that is unique and we Google the rest, then we'll find some results. And that'll quickly point you in the right direction on how to fix the issue. Very important. The Event Viewer is a lifesaver. What else can you do in computer management? You've got your task scheduler, which I'll do an entire video on separately. But scheduled tasks are extremely useful. We can quickly create one. So let's create you can see existing tasks here in this view, and you can enable or disable or delete them or run them or whatever need be. Let's create a basic task. And we call it open. Or let's rather say log time. Right, so let's say next. When we want this task to start? When we log in. Alright, when we log in. Next. What action do you want this task to perform? Start a program, of course. Next. What program? Let's quickly create a program for it to run. So we say new text file. And now we need to find that new text file quick. So we come here, we say this is program, log time .bat, right? And we're going to remove that extension, it's just .bat, yes. And then also I want another file that is called log.txt. And I do not want these two files on my desktop, but I'm just going to pop them into my C drive for explanation purposes, but you'd rather want them not in your root, but it's okay. So now we're going to edit the log time file. We say edit, and then we're going to say this is now a tricky one. Let's say time, let's quickly see CMD, and we quickly check our commands. I think it's date time, I can't remember. Date, and then date time. No, time. Current time is that. Okay, so let's do this. We want to push the date to, let's just make sure, date time T is 2 tells. Okay, so date T. Let's see. Yes. Date T, and we're piping that to C, not double pipe, one pipe, and that's going to C time log dot txt. I think I can't remember that file name now. Log time. Log time. Right? That's our program. Save. We go here and we specify the program to run, and that should be log time. Next, and that will run every time we log in. Finish. Alright, perfect. So now we can manually run it. There it is. If I log in, it will run. But let's do a manual run. There we are, it ran. And now it did not update our... Oh, my mistake. I made it right to itself. Let's quickly check. No. So let's just do that right. It should work to log, not the other file. My mistake. Log. Right? Save. Close. That job. Run. Run. Let's run it a couple of times. Let's see our file. Refresh. There we are. Log. Okay, it only logged the date because I neglected to ask it to log the time as well. So let's, oh, yeah, but you get the idea. It's for scheduled tasks, right? It's very useful. So now we can just do that, and we can do the same for time. Time T, save, and we close it, and then we run our scheduled task again, run, and we look at our log folder file. Aha, the time. Now it's time only. So this needs to be double brackets. Okay, fine. But then you get the idea. This was just to give you an idea. Save. Let's run the task. Run. Let's check the file log. Aha. So now it'll work perfectly. It gives you the time and the date. A very crude example of schedule tasks. What else can you do in computer management? You can create new users. You can monitor the performance of your machine. There's Device Manager to check on your devices that you might be struggling with or adding. You can install device drivers from here. Extremely useful. And then obviously disk management. We explored disk management in another video. And then all the running services on your computer. Which is very useful. If some program is not working, check if this corresponding service is running, restart it if need be. Yes. Alright, so a lot of things that you can do from computer management. I thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.